Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. We got a 70 Plymouth Duster here with a 440 under the hood. Original B5 blue car, beautiful interior. Now you're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up in the air so you can see the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna fire up that 440. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Duster investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So this beauty was not born with the 440 in it, but it's got one in it now. Now we got beautiful chrome, the grille is in beautiful shape, and that blue paint is popping, looking great. All the body lines are lined up nice. We got a nice fine line here going on the hood, matching up to that front fender. Got a great looking set of Mopar wheels, trim rings and center caps. That door line is looking good and nice and flush. All the stainless is in good shape. Door handle looks like it may be original. All of this stainless here looks like it also may be original. You can see the door lines up nice here. Door operates nice and smooth. The door jamb itself is nicely painted. The rubber's nice. The door panel's great. Beautiful interior in this thing. I tell you, all the chrome on the dash looks good. The upholstery on the seats looking great. I see seat belts in the back. Package tray looks good. Headliner's just got a couple wrinkles over there on the passenger side. Dash pad itself's in great shape. Steering wheel looks good. And they've added that center console in there with some extra gauges and looks like a stereo system in there. Looking great. And look down that quarter panel. Body man on the car did a beautiful job. I see the sparkling of that metallic in there. The wing on the back looks good. Of course, we got our Duster there. Isn't that cool? And that chrome right there is looking good also. Get this deck lid up. You guys all know on Mopars, first thing you got to do is look at the trunk floor. Looky there. It's all painted up and looking good. That wheel well's nice and tight and solid. Looks like we got the jack in there. The paint on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking good. When you look down the side of the car, straight as can be. You can see that door fit's looking good from back here. Like I said earlier, the body man on the car did a phenomenal job. She is straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Duster. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then when we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we've got about 230 cars in stock and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I pick out every one of those cars. So I'm helping you pick out your dream car. It's 440 Duster time. This thing is ready to go, guys. Sounding awesome. What a sweet ride finding a Duster this beautiful with a 440 under the hood. I'll tell you what, we can deliver it anywhere in the world too. So just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. You don't have to do a thing but make a phone call. Even if you want some help with financing, we'll have the banker call you, get everything filled out, and we'll get this dream parked right in your driveway. Now, we've been in business for 14 years. We've got an A++ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Even new car dealerships don't have that kind of rating. Taking a look here at the dump trucks and the excavators. Building everywhere around here, man. You can't throw a rock anywhere. They're not building a new building. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're real close out to the airport. So if you need to fly in and check this thing out in person, we would love to have you. Just give us a holler at 248-974-9513. Let us know you're coming in. If you want to send an inspector, no problem there either. We would love to meet your inspector. Have them come on down, check out the car. Just give us a call. Let us know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite vehicle up front so we can get at it quick. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage, so we may have a couple cars we need to move to get your favorite car out. You can see down here on the dash, we got the Speedo working here. We got a tack down here. Now the stock tack in the dash is not working. That's probably why they added that extra tack. I tell you what, that 440 is putting out some power. She'll get up and go. You can merge into traffic. I don't care what you need to do. This 440 will do it. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does right now. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna take a look at that 440. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision. Now we're coming up on our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. We would love to have you come down and check it out in person, but we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen. So we don't get to meet a lot of our customers, but boy, we would love to have you come on down. Here we are right here. You gotta stick with us because we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood so you can check out that 440 that's making all the music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this Duster, and I tell you what, she is just as pretty underneath. Look at that, 3-inch exhaust, all tucked up in there nice and tight. Trunk floor looks good, frame members look good. Back cross member looks like it's in good shape. Tank looks like it's new. 742 case on here, 373 gear, and it is a sure grip. You can see it's got new brake lines. Now on the drum brakes, the guys will pull all those apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see brand new U-bolts here too. Frame's nice and solid up here. Flowmaster mufflers. We got 3-inch on this side too. We got some aftermarket frame ties that these babies look like they belong on the car. I tell you what, it looks like Chrysler put them on there themselves. Now we do have one patch in the floor right here. They've cut it out real nice and neat, welded it all in, sealed it all up. I tell you what, it looks original to the car. It's looking great. They got a crossover here in this 3-inch exhaust. We've got a nice deep pan on this 727 trans. It is a 3-speed automatic, guys, for those of you who don't know. We've got the stock disc brakes up front. It looks like new hoses here. Rotors are nice and smooth. It looks like it's had new ball joints put in it. Sway bar bushings look new. K-member looks nice. Bottom side of this 440 is looking good, nice and clean. It looks like it's got an aftermarket starter on it. Back side of the front bumper, I can see brand new, nice, shiny back there, so that tells me this bumper is more than likely brand spanking new. Looks like aluminum radiator, and of course support does look good. Now up front here, we got some good looking Mopar wheels on some 205 7015s. You can see the paint work right down to the bottom edge looks good. And I always feel around on the back side of these front fenders. That's where these things start to rot out, and all I feel is nice, small, smooth metal there. You can see that rocker too. The bottom side's looking good. Get back here to the meat where the horsepower meets the road. We got two 75 6015s back here, and again, that blue paint's looking beautiful right down to the bottom edge. Now let's get under the hood and check out the 440. All right, under the hood here, we got that big old 440 making all that horsepower. Looks like an Edelbrock aluminum intake on there also. There is a Carter 4-barrel carb under there. Now this car originally had some fender exit headers, and they made some really nice patches here. They got lining on the outside edge, so I guess if you ever wanted to go to some competition headers, you still got the holes here in the front fenders. You could run them out through. Good looking aluminum radiator there, good looking valve covers. Heater hoses are still hooked up here. We do have manual brakes, and it does have manual steering. This is a go fast car, guys. She's a Duster, she's a 440. Drives awesome. I literally just got back from the drive in it, had a blast. call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.